Hi, Jim Martin with the Charleston Parks Conservancy, and we're in those winter sort of beginning months where we're walking through the landscape and we're looking at some really beautiful things that we all wish you had in your landscape. One in particular that I'm in love with is a favorite shrub, or what I also sort of consider a small multi-trunk tree, which is the Yopon holly, Ilex vomitoria. And if you can peer down in here and you can see what we're seeing right now is some beautiful yellow, orange, and red berries. Fabulous color during this time of year. And this color will carry through the entire winter months into the spring. Ilex vomitoria, or the Yopon holly, is one of those plants that is known through its history of the berries themselves, which the name vomitoria. If you made this into a little cocktail, it would make you do exactly that. You would be like throwing up. Okay, so Ilex vomitoria, I just love that name. That's absolutely fantastic. And then while we're here and we're looking at some plants that are looking gorgeous with their berries, we're also going to pan a little bit to my right and look at what's called the Turk's cap, a hummingbird and butterfly favorite. And this is a plant that's going to continue to flower like this until we have a hard frost. And if we're lucky, we won't have a hard frost, maybe not until January.